Welcome back, guys. This is MitchEllaCo coming at you again from Lisbon, Portugal. If you missed our last video, we spent 3 lovely days in Mallorca, Spain. Definitely check them out for the road trip. The lime green Mini was legendary. But today, we'll be taking you all over the city on a double-decker bus. We're hopping on, hopping off, getting our tickets. It's a couple blocks away from our hotel, the Intercontinental in Lisbon, and we are going to see all the biggest landmarks that downtown has to offer. So let's get into it. Tell me, are we ready? Are we going? Yes. We're rolling? Yes. Okay, so we made it down. We walked a couple blocks, not that far at all, to the bus stop, the designated zone of all the travel buses behind me. There's lines of tourists everywhere. This is like their meeting place. We don't know how much it is yet. Our friends are checking it out for us, but just even the initial sightseeing of what is in behind us and then behind Mitch, it's beautiful. I'm excited to check it out, tell you all the details about it, and take you along for the ride. Okay guys, we're on the double-decker, half under shade, half not. We got on pretty late. Probably after a 15-minute wait, you think? And it's extremely hot. Apparently there's a heat wave, but we're in it for the suntan, guys. We're gonna remember this one. It's negative degrees back home.
And you're gonna remember it too, because we're gonna be the best video to check out Lisbon. I'm excited. It's gonna be nice. And it's perfect day, perfect time of the day. You guys are gonna get the best footage on this trip.
All right.
Alright, just getting off our ride. Look right here. Woo! We're getting left behind. We are gonna explore. It is one of the hottest days in Portugal. I'm turning Portuguese because I'm so hot. I'm melting into the city. But it's pretty awesome to see this. The view's been incredible. There goes our little bus. We're able to now wander off because we hopped on, hopped off. We're gonna wander off now into the lower part of the city by the water. Cool down a little bit. We're gonna get a nice some water to cool down, and we'll take you guys along. There's tons of little shops. The architecture is absolutely astounding here. Beautiful. Let's go explore.
Market. We wandered in here. We got off on, I want to say stop 5. Wandered the streets a little bit, found this on the map, and there is so much food to choose from. And look at this stuff. Glorious. It's making me hungry, even though it's so hot outside. My appetite is gone. But we're gonna wander through, check out everybody's plates for you, but this is the place to go if you're hungry. It's like in a nook.
I love it.
Don't forget the handmade American donuts. Let's crush it.
Where'd you get there?
Okay, we were just in the market and I told you guys, out of all the places, the burgers, the authentic food, we found the donuts. The American crafted donuts. The most popular is the Lotus, and then we got peanut butter. I am like a die-hard peanut butter fan, and I'm so stoked that we found it in Europe because it's not always there, but share the love. This is not in America. You have to come all the way to Lisbon for that market, for these donuts. We're about to tell you how good they are. Babe, is this your favorite food?
Pizza.
All right.
On a hot day. I'm so excited. That's what I was saying. You're supposed to be here right now. Okay guys, we've made it to this wonderful palace. It's beautiful. We're really enjoying our day. I gotta be honest with you. If you come to Lisbon, right at the end of September, it's September 30th today, so it's right at the end. It is very warm. I think we're sitting like at 85, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so high mid-30s for Celsius. It is cooking. And we've been enjoying ourselves with that nice hop on, hop off bus. We've been on the top floor of it. It's pretty cool. But again, it's so hot. We have a great day. There's no clouds. We are able to see the beautiful city. There is so much new with old in this city, where you get the the old palaces, but you're also driving right through a new city. So definitely worth checking out these. There's tons of museums you can go into, like literally every stop. Our stop has 13 stops on it, so we're able to see a lot of stuff. We're actually gonna go hop right back on the bus and continue down to the water, hopefully get a little bit cooler, so come on with us.
Ooh, doggy. It's an oven. Can you see the beads of sweat? They're everywhere. We are in the front. We have the best view, but it is also a sauna. And Mitch was saying it was like 84 degrees. Nuh-uh, I looked. It was 94, and it's supposed to be breaking heat records all over Europe. I'm mostly in shade. Nope, now I'm all in shade. Anyways, and we just wanted to let you know that it's very hot. We're on our way to a castle.
I've made it home. This is my castle. This is amazing. I grew up with stuff like this. This is so cool. I think it's called Belém or something. I'm gonna put it in here or label it down below. I forgot what it's called. But this is what I think of when you think of Lisbon, Portugal. This iconic scene right here. Absolutely amazing. Check out this cruise ship that's coming out right here. I bet they have an awesome view. Today, I think you guys have the best view because you're on our channel. Look how great that is. We've done this hop on, hop off tour, and it has brought us to all of the best places. I cannot recommend it more than
$22.
22 euros. I cannot recommend it more than what we've done. It's a 10 out of 10. We're really thankful that our friends recommended us to get on this. It's really cool. This is awesome. This is a must stop on this tour. You have to come down here. So enjoy the view.
Oh my gosh.
What did you get here in Portugal?
I feel like piña coladas. Okay. We got napkins, we got pineapple, we got piña colada, and it's virgin. Because it's so hot, we need the vitamins from here with a beautiful castle in the distance. I'm a fan, guys. You need to come to Lisbon, Portugal. Get your pineapple on the beach next to the castle. Do it here. Subscribe, like, if you're into this kind of content. Guys, what a day. We flew around the city, or should I say drove top deck on the double-decker bus, and it's the hop on, hop off, multiple companies to pick from, only a couple minutes away from our hotel. But it took us to all the biggest monuments. We didn't even get off at all of them because we ran out of time. They have 24-hour days, 48-hour passes if you want to continue on your journey. Anyways, for $22, it takes you all over the city. You get to listen to the history if you want, get off and on, and we highly recommend it. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to tour you through the rest of the city on our next video. Stay tuned.